Evening to my YouTube viewers. Today we will switch over to the another new topic related to the culture, that is cultural configurations. It is an approval of rules and its sentiments, existence of covert levels, which is motivated by overt behavior of an individual and also integrated for the meaningful cultural pattern, to form the meaningful cultural pattern. Example, family system, the cultural configurations of family system. It says about the value of family. And then Ruth Benedict, a cultural anthropologist, first of its kind, introduced the cultural configuration concept. Later, the American cultural configuration is transformed into Germany as Gestalt die Gestalt. It is also noted down as whole social attitude, practices, and belief systems. All these are very nearer to the identical towards the culture. Basically, the cultural configuration is used for the comparative purpose or comparison purpose, and it is used by cultural anthropologist in specific, general anthropologist in general. And this cultural configurations analysis become a special method by Stuttgart School of Historical Behavioral Studies. Later, the same phenomenon is also executed for body culture studies in Denmark. It is marked with historical idea and its intentions. For what? In order to understand the historical studies. Next, it is also very much attracted by materialistic phenomenology. Once again, we will rebrush. The approval of rules, sentiments, and existence of covert level, which is motivated by overt behavior of an individual, and further it is also contributed for the integration of meaningful cultural pattern, to form the meaningful cultural pattern. Example, the cultural configuration of the family. In this, we can understand the value of the family system. Ruth Benedict, a cultural anthropologist, first of its kind, introduced the word cultural configurations. And then the American cultural configurations are transformed into in Germany as Gestalt die Gestalt. It is also noted down the whole social attitude, belief system, and practices shows very close or near to the identical of culture, identity of culture. Basically, the cultural configuration is used for the comparison. In specific, the cultural anthropologists are used for the comparison of the institutions. This cultural configuration analysis became a special method by the Stuttgart School of Historical Behavioral Studies. The same phenomenon will also employ in body culture studies in Denmark, that is physical anthropology. And then it is also attracted by materialistic phenomenology. By this, today's lecture about the cultural configuration is completed. Please do subscribe. This is Bindu taking leave from the YouTube platform.